So let's talk about the best book to teach kids about curiosity. There's a book called The Adventures of the Curious Creators Club, and it's aimed for kids about 5 to 10. So the best part about this book is that it is created specifically to teach kids the creative problem-solving method, but they really don't know about it because they're learning it in a fun and engaging way. So what's really cool about this book is that it is around what's called the CREATE method. And each one of the characters represent part of the method. So we have 6 different characters, all of different ages, all of different stages of life, who come together to create a club based on different mysteries that happen in what's called Curiosity Cove. That's the town. And the mayor usually has some kind of problem she's facing, either in the community, maybe the vet in the town has something going on with the animals. There might be someone missing, but these kids come together and they solve a problem together. They might have team issues that come up. They might have to take risks, but they communicate, they think in creative and critical ways. So one of the things that makes this book different is that at the end of the book, there is an entire section specifically for teachers and parents that allows you to come up with discussion questions, gives you guidance for activities that you can do at home or in your classroom to incorporate all the problem-solving skills that are needed and exhibited within the book. So you not only have the story, but you have things to continue the story and those skills at home. So the research and study shows that these skills are essential for not only success in the future, but success at home and at school. And it is never too early to start learning these skills. Curiosity is the foundation to learning, thinking creatively, critically, collaborating, communicating. All of these skills are what's going to be needed today, tomorrow, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the road. So why not start now? Let's start by reading these kinds of stories and getting our kids involved in every day. So this book is very personal. It has been made with a lot of love. My friend Jenna, who is also a teacher, and I have worked for years on putting this together. It has a lot of research and a lot of fun. It has been read to hundreds of teachers, and I would love for you to read it to your children. Okay, so if you would love to get your hands on this incredible book, just scan this QR code and it will take you right to a page where you can purchase it. I think this would make a great gift for a teacher, a parent, anyone who is passionate about kids, curiosity, creativity, critical thinking. I hope you enjoy it. I know I love it so very much. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.